bunnies floating in the pool.
Nope, no more dead bunnies. This cut turned out really good.
Yeah.
I like it. But we're back out here today. It's filled in. All the topsoil is on. It's not exactly smoothed out. I'll show you here in a minute. But we've got to get the excavator moved out today. It's got to go over to another job, and then I'm gonna bring the skid steer back over here, get all that topsoil smoothed out and all dressed up and pretty. We've got a drain pipe to fix because the dump truck's backed over it and broke it, so I'm gonna fix that, put the fence back up, and we'll be out of here. So stick with me today as we go get some equipment moved. Empty trailer. Got my keys. A little bit of a walk down this alley. God, this weather is fantastic. If I could find a way to make this kind of weather stick year round, I'd be all in. All right, here's what we got. Had to take another post out. It was a dump truck. Couldn't get in here. Get this fence out of the way. Get the old 55 started up and let it warm up a little bit. Go through and check everything, make sure everything looks good. Everything looks good. Oof, thing's dirty. You gotta get that cleaned out. Starts like a charm. Give you guys a little walk around and see. The pool is gone. So smooth this dirt out a little bit. Added some sprinklers there and there. Everything cleaned up. Concrete. Cut and shaped nicely. that. We're out of here. See you when we unload.
Now I won't have any dead bunnies floating in the pool.
Nope, no more dead bunnies. This cut turned out really good.
Yeah.
I like it. Like you would know, I mean, if you didn't know there was a pool here, you would think this was just part of your patio.
Yeah.
Yeah, turned out good.
But then somebody might think, well, why didn't you just take it straight over?
I haven't been a very good YouTuber today. I got busy, forgot to record. But we got all the pools done, fences back up. It was fun doing it by myself. Probably won't do that again. But now I got the skid steer on the trailer. Got to pick up a bunch of toys. I'll haul everything up here. It's in the bucket. Get all this straightened back out. Get that machine strapped down and get on the road. Well, just like that. All loaded up, strapped down. Take that baby back to the shop. Not the shop, the warehouse. It's gonna be excavator for the next few days on the next job. So that's it for today. We'll see you.